So good morning everyone. So in yesterday class, what we studied? Decimal to binary conversion and binary to decimal conversion. In decimal to binary conversion, base 10 converted to base 2. Base 10 converted to base 2. So given number, we should divide with 2. And remainders, we should write the remainders. After that, from downward to upward, we write the remainders. Then we get the binary conversion. Binary to decimal conversion. Binary, second one, binary to decimal conversion. In binary to decimal conversion, given number multiply with 2 power zeros, 2 powers, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. If in given number we have point after also digits, then that digits multiply with 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2 and 2 power minus 3. So today class we study the hexadecimal system, hexadecimal number system. So hexa means 16. Hexa means 16. Before hexadecimal number system, before hexadecimal number system, once again I will repeat the binary to decimal and decimal to binary examples. So I will repeat the once again decimal to binary and binary to decimal examples. Decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. Decimal to binary means base 10 converted to base 2. I will take example 136 number. 136 number. This is the base 10 value converted to base 2 value. What is the value? So 136 is the given number. 136 is the given number. This number will divide with 2. In every division, we should write the remainder. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 is 16. Here remainder 0. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. Remainder again 0. 2 1 2 1 is 2, 2 7 is 14. Remainder 0. 2 8 is 16. Remainder 1. 2 4 is 8. Remainder 0. 2 2 is 4. Remainder 0. 2 1 is 2. Remainder 0. Okay, clear? From down to up. 1, next is 0 0 0 0 triple 0, after 1 again triple 0, base 2. This is the 136 decimal number conversion of binary. Next, binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. In binary to decimal, base is to converted to base 10. So given number 1011. Here multiply with every digit 2 power zeros. 2 powers. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. From right side to left side. From right side to left side. So 2 power 3 into 1 plus 2 power 2 into 0 plus 2 power 1 into 1 plus 2 power 0 into 1. 2 power 3 8 plus 2 power 2 into 0 0. 2 power 1 into 1 2. 2 power 0 1. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 1 11. What is the answer here? 11. This is the binary to decimal conversion. If given number we have after point also 0 1 1 1, then these values multiply with 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, 2 power minus 4. Okay. Next, hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. The radix of hexadecimal. The radix of hexadecimal number system is number system is 16 and the basic are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, in hexadecimal number system, the radix of hexadecimal number system is 16 basis 2 that are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means total numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have A, B, C, D, E, F also. Okay. In hexadecimal number system, we have binary to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal to binary. Binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary, and by decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal conversion. We have 4 conversions in hexadecimal number system. We have 4 conversions. What are them? First one is binary. Binary to hexadecimal. Next, hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal to binary. And decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. And decimal to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. 4 conversions. Binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. These are the 4 conversions in hexadecimal number system. First one, binary to hexadecimal conversion. Hexadecimal conversion. Binary to hexadecimal conversion. So binary to hexadecimal conversion, first point is given number. Given number divide 4-digit parts. Given number 4-digit parts. From right side to left side. From right side to left side. For example, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 is the example for binary to hexadecimal conversion. from right side to left side. From right side to left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits divide. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in binary system, given number multiply with 2 powers. 2 powers. So here also this one multiply with 2 power 0, this one multiply with 2 power 1, this one multiply with 2 power 2, this one multiply with 2 power 3. Here also this part also multiply with 2 power 0, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Here also multiply with 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. So 2 power 3 into 0 plus 2 power 2 into 0 plus 2 power 1 into 0 plus 2 power 0 into 1. Here 2 power 3 into 1 plus 2 power 2 into 0 plus 2 power 1 into 0 plus 2 power 0 into 1. 2 power 3 into 0 plus 2 power 2 into 0 plus 2 power 1 into 1 plus 2 power 0 into 1. Add the values. 2 power 3 into 0, 0. 2 power 2 into 0, 0. 2 power 1 into 0, 0. 2 power 0, 1. 2 power 3 into 1, 8. Plus 2 power 2 into 0, 0. 2 power 1 into 0, 0. 2 power 0 into 1, 1. Equal to 9. 2 power 3 into 0, 0. 2 power 2 into 0, 0. 2 power 1 into 2, 2. Plus 2 power 0, 1. This value 3. So total number is 193. 193. Base 16. This is the answer. So given number from right to left, divide 4 number, 4 digit number, 4 digit number, 4 digit number. After multiply with 2 powers, then we get the hexadecimal number. So binary to hexadecimal, after hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal to binary. Hexadecimal to binary conversion. So for example, in hexadecimal system we have A, B, C, D, E, F also. That's why the given number is B4D6. First of all, take every number. Take every number separately. B4D6 and every number divide with 2. Divide with 2. 2 3 ja 6, remainder 0. 2 1 ja 2, remainder 1. D means already we know that in hexadecimal number system A, B, C, D, E, F. 12, 13, 14, 15. D means 13. Divide with 2. 2 6 ja, remainder 1. 2 3 ja 6, remainder 0. 2 1 ja 2, remainder 1. Here 1 1 0. Here 1 1 0 1. Next 4. Divide with 2. 2 2 ja 4. Remainder 0. 2 1 ja 2. Remainder 0. 1 0 0. B means 11. Divide with 2. 2 5 ja 10, remainder 1, 2 2 ja 4, remainder 1, 2 1 ja 2, remainder 0, 1 0 1 1. So what is the answer? For B, 1 0 1 1, for 4 1 0 0, for D 1 1 0 1, for 6 1 1 0. Base hexadecimal to binary. Base 2. This is the base 16. Given number in hexadecimal to binary conversion, given number take separately. Given number take every number separately. 6 separately and D separately, 4 separately, B separately. And every number divide with 2. Divide with 2 in division. We should write the remainder. We should write the remainder. After remainders, write from bottom to top. Bottom to top. We get the every number will convert the binary. After combine the all answers. After combine the all answers, we get the hexadecimal to binary system. This is the hexadecimal to binary conversion. Next, binary to hexadecimal conversion completed. After hexadecimal to binary conversion completed. Next, decimal to hexadecimal conversion and hexadecimal to decimal conversion. First, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal means base 10, hexadecimal means base 16. For example, this is the example number. In decimal to hexadecimal conversion, given number divide with 16. Given number divide with 16 and every division we should write the remainder values. After that, remainder values write from bottom to top. If we have decimal number also, then decimal number multiply with 16. Continuously. In every multiplication should write the reminders. In decimal fraction, reminders should write from top to bottom. So first to take this number. This number divide with 16. 16 1 yeah 16. Next 16 4 ja. Next 16 6 ja. Here remainder 11. Next again divide with 16. So 16 9 ja 44. Remainder 2. Here remainders write from bottom to top. So 11 means in hexadecimal number system, A means 10, B means 11. So B means here 11. So 9 to B. For this part, this is the answer. After we have decimal part also have. In this part, multiply with 16 continuously. 0.853 multiply with 16. 0.853 multiply with 16, we get 13.648. 13.648. So what is the remainder? 13. 13 means D. Next, 0.648. 0.648. Again multiply with 16. Again multiply with 16. We get 10.368. 10 means remainder is 10. 10 means A. Next, 0.368 multiply with 16. This number 0.368 multiply with 16. We get 0.368 multiply with 16. We get 5.888. What is the remainder? 5. For this part, what is the answer? Here reminders right from top to bottom. Top to bottom. Here bottom to top. Here top to bottom. D A 5. 0.DA5. So total answer 92B.DA5 is the answer. This is the conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal. So this is conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. In this number divide with 16, divide with 16, and in every division write the reminders. After total reminders, write from bottom to top fractional this number. After point number, multiply with 16 continuously. In every multiplication, write the remainder. After combine this value and this value, we get the answer. This is the decimal to hexadecimal. After hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal to hexadecimal to decimal. Hexadecimal to decimal. This is the answer in decimal to hexadecimal conversion. This is the answer in decimal to hexadecimal conversion. So in hexadecimal to decimal conversion, in this conversion, first I am taking this part 9 to B, 0.DA5. In this number, every number multiply with 16 powers. 16 powers. This one multiply with 16 power 0. This one multiply with 16 power 1. This one multiply with 16 power 2. In this left to right, that means 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2 into 16 power minus 3. So here 16 power 2 into 16 power 2 into 9 plus 16 power 1 into 2 plus 16 power 0 into B means 11. In hexadecimal number system, A means 10, B means 11. So 16 power 2 into 9, 9 into 256 plus 16 into 2, 32 plus 16 power 0 means 1, 1 into 11, 11. We get the value is 2, 3, 4, 7. 2, 3, 4, 7. Here 16 power minus 1 means 1 by 16 into D means A means 10, B 11, C 12, D 13 into 13 plus A means 10, 10 into, sorry, 1 by 16 power minus 2, 1 by 256 into A means 10 into 1 by 1 by 16 power minus 3, 4096 into 5. LCM the value 4096, 4096. Here value is 3328, 3328 plus 160 plus 1. 0.8527. 0.8527. So what is the answer? 2347.8527 base 10. This is the hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So hexadecimal to decimal conversion, given number multiplied with 16 powers. 16 powers. So this part is 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2. This part is 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2, 16 power minus 3. After that, simplify the values, we get the value. This is the hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So students, today topic is mainly hexadecimal number system. So in hexadecimal number system, base is 16. Base is 16. So base 16 means the total numbers are 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. So in hexadecimal number system, we have binary to hexadecimal conversion and hexadecimal to binary conversion. Next, decimal to hexadecimal conversion and hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So for four conversions. Okay, today class is over.